In today's video, we are exploring beautiful and durable gate designs for homes along with approximate prices so you can plan to your budget easily. From simple steel gates to premium CNC laser cut patterns, wooden finishes gates and modern sliding system. These gates not only provide security but also enhance the overall look of your home entrance. I will show you the most popular gate designs used and today's discuss the materials and highlight of pros and cons and shade of realistic price ranges starting from 150 rupees per square feet and going up to the 900 rupees per square feet depending on the design and material. So whatever you are building or new home or thinking or updating your entrance, this video help to choose a gate the first fit your style and space and budget. The first one is MS gate. It's mild steel gate. This is most commonly used in gates for homes. MS gates are strong and affordable and customizable. The price is the 180 rupees to 350 rupees per square feet. It's in basic designs. 350 to 500 rupees per square feet. It's designer gates. These are best for independent homes, small villas or rental homes. And another one is the SS gates, that means stainless steel gate. This gates due to the modern look and require of very little maintenance. SS202 grade is cheaper while SS304 grade is premium. The price in India 500 rupees to 1200 rupees per square feet depending on the grade and design. These are best for modern homes and coastal areas and long-term durability. Wooden gates and wood finish gates. These gates have to the premium appearance but need of care. Most people now choose the metal frame plus wooden finishes to reduce the cost. The price in India or real wood 1000 rupees to 2000 rupees per square foot. Metal gate with wood finish 600 to 700 rupees per square feet. These are best for premium villas, farmhouse style homes. CNC laser cut gates, one of the most trending design in India. CNC sheets are laser cut with patterns and fixed on MS or SS frames. The price in India 450 rupees to 800 rupees per square foot based on the thickness and finish, best for modern and figures of designer entrance. Sliding gates, these gates are perfect for homes with limited of driveway. They slide sideways of look clean and modern. A manual sliding gate 450 rupees to 600 rupees per square feet. Automatic sliding gates 35,000 to 70,000 rupees each gate. These are best for narrow entrances, bungalows, commercial spaces. Swing gates. These gates traditional Indian gate style open inwards or outwards depending on the space. The price in India 250 rupees to 400 rupees per square foot depending on the material and detailing. So whatever you want, simple budget friendly gate or premium designer models, these are perfect option for every Indian homes. Tell us in the comments which gate design you like the most. Don't forget like and share and subscribe for more home design ideas. Thank you for watching this video.